Alright guys, to start this tutorial we are going to be refreshing our hair with the Lobster Dry Shampoo by The Long Sexy Hair. I love this stuff because it's lightweight and effective. It absorbs all the excess oil in my hair and leaves my hair with a nice refreshed look. It also smells amazing too, you guys. Your hair won't feel sticky and it'll be ready to style. The first part I made was right below the top of my ear. I'm just applying a 2-row clip in to that section of hair. Don't mind a straight part, it won't really matter, your install will still lay really flat. The next part is going to be a few inches above that and above my ear. This one I laid down a 3 clip-in track. The next part is going to be slightly above that one, and you're just going to want to take your 4 clip-in track at this point and lay that one down. Next I'm going to the temple. Right here is where I parted my hair. When you apply these clip-ins, make sure you are going behind your hairline, so if you decide to pull your hair back, your clip-in track will be hidden. I just use a 2 clip-in track for that side, and then on the other side I'm going to be using my individual clip-ins to make another 2 clip-in track. To finish this look, I'm going in with my Sexy Hair waterproofing spray to keep out the humidity. When you're wearing anything that's different than your hair, you want to make sure you are protecting your hair from the elements, so I'm using this to kind of keep it sleek and straight. Both of these Sexy Hair products can be picked up on their site. I will leave everything in the description box below for you to check out. And all done! I love how the clip-ins add slight highlights throughout my hair. I decided to go with this sleek pulled back ponytail and I think it came out great. Kara Ray here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about my clip-in extensions. As you could tell from the beginning, I was sent an offer to review some clip-ins from the company Amazing Beauty Hair, and I decided to take them up on their offer. So I've never done clip-in extensions before and they're very fun. I really liked them and I really enjoyed my experience with the Amazing Beauty Hair clip-in. So if you want to hear my final thoughts and review on this hair, then make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so like I mentioned, I was sent these clip-ins from the company Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. They are an online retailer of hair extensions, clip-ins, and tape-in extensions. And what I liked most about this site is not only do they feature straight clip-ins, but they also feature clip-ins for African American hair texture, so you do have your curly kinky options as well. The clip-ins that I was sent are the clip-in hair extensions brown mix blonde. Some specs on this hair is, of course, they're clip-in hair extensions. They are 100% virgin human hair. They range in length 16 to 22, but the length that I decided to get are the 22-inch clip-ins. The color I have is a mix, number 8 and number 60. The weight for my 22-inch clip-ins is 140 grams, and the style is silky straight, and it comes in a set of 7 pieces, so you get 7 total clip-in pieces and you get 16 clips. The hair on these clip-ins is very soft. I used all of the clip-in extensions except for this piece. I'm not getting any shedding from this hair. The ends look very, very nice. They are trimmed nicely and it's just great hair. I didn't have any problems with these clip-ins at all. I've been wearing them on and off for about a week, and throughout the week I haven't received any shedding or any tangling with these clip-ins. If you are interested to purchase these clip-ins from the Amazing Beauty Hair site, you would be looking at, for 22 inches, $136. So anything less than that would of course be less money. They start at 16 inches for $107. These clip-ins were sent to me DHL from China, so they got here in about a week. Shipping was really fast and easy. Nothing to complain about there. Their customer service is also great. If I had questions, my customer service rep was there to answer them as quickly as she could because of the time difference, so do keep that in mind. So why clip-ins to begin with? First of all, clip-ins can add length. If your hair is shorter and you want to make it longer, clip-ins are a great way to add length. They're also a great way to add volume. If your hair is on the thin side, you can thicken your hair up with clip-ins, and they're also a great way to add color. So I decided to go with a color that was lighter than my natural hair color, and I'm really excited that I did because it just kind of gives this really pretty highlight that you can see throughout my hair. It brightens up my hair. So thank you to Amazing Beauty Hair for sending me these clip-in extensions to review for you guys. Make sure you check the description box below. I will give you guys all the links that you need to check out their products. They have a ton to choose from on their site, so I suggest just going to check them out. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my new clip-in extensions. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I upload 3 times a week, sometimes more, so you don't want to miss any of my videos coming up. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye.